Hey guys, it's Ian with Big Tex Ordnance. Welcome to the weekly update. Guys, this week we have a few things. First on the list, one of the new SIG optics. This is the SIG Romeo X enclosed compact footprint 6 MOA red dot sight. So new red dots from SIG, really clean. Been hearing good things. Guys, next on the list, we're in the Magpul aisle. We have everything Magpul you guys have ever wanted. DACA pouches, barricade stops, hand stops. We got the wire control kits. These are a personal favorite. I've been rocking these since they came out. Like them a lot. What else we got? We got PMags. We got Gen 2, Gen 3, windowed FTE, black, tan. That's FTE. We got every mag that your little heart desires when it comes to Magpul. 308 mags, D50s, D60s, PMags, windowed mags. We got Magpuls. Everyone needs a classic Magpul from Magpul. What else we got? Oh, that's a piece of beef jerky. Stocks. We got all the Magpul stocks that you need. Look at all these grips. You guys need Magpul grips? Get some Magpul grips. Magpul's in the house. SIG's in the house. Guys, like, subscribe, shoot us an email, drop us a comment, hit the bell. Thank you. I love you. I love your moms. Send us lunch. We'll send you candy. Let us know if you need anything. Go forth and conquer. Be safe. Check out the website for anything that you guys need. Thank you for the support. Much love. Peace. I love you.